हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैंने किसी और के जैसे एक बड़ी क्लासी एंट्री ली है बिकॉज लोकेशन काफी अच्छी है। आई एम राइट नाउ इन अंटालिया इन यूरोप एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू रिकॉर्ड दिस वीडियो। आज ये रिकॉर्ड करनी हुई मुझे बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, तुम लोग बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे मेरे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स के ऊपर एंड मेरे कमेंट्स में, ईमेल्स पे, दे आर सेंडिंग मी अ लॉट ऑफ ईमेल्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट सर आवर एमबीए हैज बिगन, वी हैव स्टार्टेड आवर एमबीए जर्नी, बट इन दिस फर्स्ट वीक, इन दिस फर्स्ट 1 or 2 weeks वी आर फीलिंग वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड अबाउट इट। सर बड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है, क्या करें समझ नहीं आ रहा, सर प्लीज हेल्प। एंड देयरफॉर मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था। देखें, अगर आप मेरे हाउ टू बी स्कूल कोर्स के एक स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही होगी फॉर श्योर, बिकॉज दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दैट कोर्स वाज ऑल अबाउट, दैट सो दैट यू डोंट फील ओवरवेल्म्ड अबाउट योर एमबीए एक्सपीरियंस। बट अगर आप नहीं हैं, देयरफॉर आई थॉट दैट यार एक वीडियो चाहिए होगा, बहुत अर्जेंटली चाहिए होगा, सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग with you and how do you handle it. So therefore, if you're feeling overwhelmed with the first day of MBA, the first week of MBA, how to cope up with the stress in the MBA program, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placement. Now first of all, what I'd like to say is that अगर इस वीडियो में थोड़ी ऑडियो क्वालिटी कम हो, please bear with me because मेरे यूजुअल स्टूडियो से ये नहीं हो रही है. I'm somewhere outside, hence, and this was very important for me to do right away, hence I'm creating this. Now in this video I intend to share with you these things. I quickly made this for you that अगर आप overwhelmed हैं तो क्यों हैं, why are you feeling overwhelmed, why are you feeling stressed in your MBA life, you know, what exactly are the things which you need to understand, and then 3 aspects about mental health, physical health, and also something which is going to happen, which you might feel influenced about is substance abuse. A few of these things which students really resort to when they are feeling stress in MBA. Now the first thing which I like to speak to you about is one very simple thing, that why exactly are you feeling this stress. There are 3 reasons. इसके 3 वजह होते हैं कि MBA लाइफ में आके आपको एक बड़ा अलग सा फीलिंग होती है और क्यों ऐसा होता है। देखिए, पहली चीज तो है we have to accept this thing that MBA is a different program. Now when I'm saying MBA is a different program, from what? MBA is a different program from any other UG, undergraduate or postgraduate program you might have been. It could be engineering, BSc, BCom, BArch, whatever program you have been in. Even if अगर आपने PG भी करा हुआ है और फिर आप MBA में आए हैं, वो PG programs भी, MTech, MS बहुत अलग हैं. They are very slow paced programs. They are not really finishing programs and they are not finishing you to lead in the business world. They are more academic oriented or they are more something else altogether. MBA is a different program because MBA is preparing you for a different way of life, which is why I would say that MBA, my dear friends, in itself is a way of life. There is a reason. मेरे पास बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं that sir should we do an MBA or not, क्या सही रहेगा हमारे लिए MBA की नहीं। मेरा जवाब उनको बड़ा सिंपल होता है. My advice to most MBA aspirants or the ones who are thinking about MBA is that you should do MBA. Even if you're somebody who's not sure about it whether I should do an MBA or should I not, I always advise to the students that MBA is the way to go. Obviously, unless of course your salary is already so high that MBA में जाके भी कुछ बहुत खास नहीं होगा, तो बात अलग है, then you should not do that. The reason why I say them to is that because MBA, my dear friends, is a very transformational experience. MBA is a way of life. वहां पे आप एक अलग किस्म से जीना सीखते हैं और वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो होती है वो आपके पर्सनैलिटी को बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्ट करती है. It makes you much more confident, self-assured, very much in control of the things around you, and for you to experience that transformation you have to go through some level of chaos. थोड़ा chaos होता है. जब भी कोई change होता है, change is not easy. Whenever there is a change in your personality, in your thought process, in the way you talk, in the way you walk, in the way you think about things, it is not going to be simple. It's going to be a painful experience. And MBA is actually not even so stressful because you are in a very safe environment where it is being handled by faculty, by students, by the administrators, and it's a safe playground for you to experience these micro stressors, micro stress कि अरे shit यार, we have to do well in our acads, oh my god, we have to do well in our clubs and committees, and the placements are also happening, then we have the case competitions, we have to make friends, so many things. What you need to understand is that you're basically experiencing the real life in a very controlled environment. ये बड़ी controlled चीजें ही हो रही हैं. So that is that. Then from there, I like to say that the third thing which you need to actually understand is this, a very simple thing. MBA is supposed to be a rigorous program. After an MBA, you are supposed to lead a business. You are being prepared to lead organizations, and and that is what you need to understand. For you to become the CXOs of the future, or for you to become the VPs in the next 5 years or 6 years or 7 years, or for you to become junior partners at certain consulting organization in the next 5-6 years, you have to undergo a rigor. It's a program that makes you different from anyone else. ये सब बहुत सेम बातें लग रही होंगी, जो फर्स्ट 3 पॉइंट्स हैं, इट माइट साउंड वेरी सेम, बट दैट्स द फैक्ट. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज दैट अगर आप अभी बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हैं दैट सर ये एमबीए में क्या हो रहा है, ये तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था, आपके साथ कुछ खराब नहीं हो रहा है. पिछले 50 साल से 60 साल से जब से भी आपका बी स्कूल एग्जिस्टेंस में है, सबके साथ यही हुआ है. अब यहाँ पे एक और चीज आई वुड लाइक टू से इज दैट इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अ बी स्कूल, देन यू नो कि फर्स्ट वीक में कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें आपके साथ होती हैं, शायद जानबूझ के, शायद कैसे. आई विल नॉट से अ लॉट ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम आई हैव इज दैट देयर आर सो मेनी अदर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हु हैव मेड कंटेंट ऑन व्हाट हैपेंस इन द फर्स्ट वीक. व्हाट हैपेंस इन द फर्स्ट वीक in an MBA college is supposed to be a secret. That is supposed to be a part of the experience, but it's very saddening that a lot of influencers have actually gone out and said, अरे वो first week में जो होता है ना, वो तो ये होता है, वो होता है. No, you're not supposed to say it. And right now, I'm speaking to those influencers that you, being responsible MBA students, MBA alums of those schools, you are not supposed to break things which are not supposed to be said outside. So now I'm speaking back to the students again that it's okay. It's a designed experience. It's the way it is supposed to be. You would have never experienced anything like this. अगर आपने ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करा होता तो आपको शायद MBA की जरूरत नहीं होती. MBA is a designed experience to make you transform, to make you go out of your comfort zone. आप अपने comfort zone के बाहर हर दिन आएंगे. मगर एक अच्छी चीज मैं आपको समझा देता हूं. This change you will feel only in the first term itself. Second term onwards you will feel very much okay. आप adapt कर जाएंगे. What are the common problems which one would face? Now I would move on to this point. Now see, what are the 3 things you need to take care of? इन सब के बीच में 3 चीजें हैं जिनका आपको खासे ख्याल रखना होगा. First thing is your mental health. You will feel very stressed. Now why? I would start off by saying that okay, what will be the sources of this problems which you will be facing, the stress and everything. Now again, the first thing is and while I'll be saying all of these things, you will be saying कि हाँ यही तो feel कर रहा हूं मैं, या फिर यही feel कर रही हूं मैं. Therefore I know what you are going through. Therefore just watch this video completely, and I'm sure, I hope, and I'm very sure about this, by the end of this video you'll feel much more relaxed and comfortable, and you'll know that yes, you'll handle it. By the end of this video you should be able to say that yes, I'll handle it. This is a challenge for me. First thing is that every MBA student is facing a FOMO, fear of missing out. Even you, the problem why you're facing so much stress, one of the reasons for that is because probably you're saying that ये भी करना है, अरे academics में अगर अच्छा स्कोर नहीं करा तो क्या करूंगी, फिर मैं शायद स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज में नहीं जा पाऊंगी बिकॉज academics वहां से होती है. अरे केस कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी तो स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, हाउ टू डू केसेस मुझे नहीं आता. अरे केस कॉम्पिटिशन तो हर रोज क्लास में भी होते हैं, आई हैव टू स्टडी फॉर द क्लासरूम कॉम्पिटिशन्स एवरी डे. अरे वो कैसे करूंगी, मुझे तो केस एनालिसिस करना नहीं आता है. देन प्रॉबेबली आई हैव टू रीड थिंग्स फॉर द प्लेसमेंट्स बिकॉज अभी तो सीवी फ्रीज हो जाएगी. अरे सीवी के स्टेटमेंट्स तो मैंने फाइनलाइज ही नहीं करे, क्या करूं. आई हैव टू स्पीक टू माय मेंटर, दिस मेंटर दैट मेंटर, वो नहीं करे. अरे क्लब इंडक्शंस भी तो होने वाले हैं, कौन सा क्लब जाना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, दिस एंड दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू हैव, देन आई हैव अ कोर्स ऑन दिस. इट्स कॉल्ड हाउ टू बी स्कूल. Hundreds of students, I should say, have already enrolled in that, and they have given out amazing feedback on that. A few of them are already live on my YouTube channel, that how students are saying that we got instant clarity, we're not even feeling stressed about it. हमें पता है exactly what all things we have to do. First thing is that. Second thing is I know this, that these are the feelings you are having, and fear of missing out होगा ही ना, because इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. Again, I would just go back and just show you all of the things which you will be feeling stressed about. It is academics, club, committees, extra curricular activities, profile building, interview prep, friendships, romance. अरे यार, मैं तो ये सोच के आया था MBA में कि रोमांस होगा, गर्लफ्रेंड बनाऊंगा, थोड़ा आगे का कामकाज करूंगा. क्या हुआ, वो कब होगा, बट मेरा फ्रेंड तो ऑलरेडी शुरू हो गया. अरे फ्रेंडशिप्स नहीं बनी, चलो वो सब भी छोड़ो, दोस्ती यारियां नहीं बन रही, क्या करूं. भैया सांस लो, कुछ मत करो, सांस लो. हेलो 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 हेलो. a very important thing which you need to understand, कुछ मत करो, सांस लो. MBA while it might seem is a very short experience, अभी शुरू हुआ, अभी हो गया, मगर समय मिलेगा. अगर if you are not a super extrovert who will go out to every student and say hi hello it's okay, take your own time. I was an introvert. मैं तो मेरे से बड़ा introvert कोई नहीं था, but I found friends. Right now I am on a trip with one of my friends from I am Udaipur. How's that? That's what I'm trying to tell you, my dear friends, that it will happen. You need to be open to experiences. It will happen. And fear of missing out का इलाज ये है that eventually you need to choose for yourself that hey, the solution is focus. I need to focus on things. For me, everything it cannot be important. मैं सब कुछ नहीं कर सकता, और अगर मैं सब कुछ कर भी लूंगा, अगर मैं अपने आप if I take this challenge that I'll do well in acads also, I'll get a 7-8 plus CGPA, I'll go to this program also, I'll do well in my classroom, in my case competitions, इसमें सब कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे आप. And it's okay. You need to know what outcomes I want from my MBA program. If, for example, my outcome which I wanted from MBA was that hey, I want to become an entrepreneur, I want to start something of this. मैंने सब कुछ त्याग दिया था. मैं कहा बाहर में जाए acads. I'm sorry to say, I'm being very honest to you. मैंने कहा यार GPA जो आए सो आए, प्लेसमेंट मैंने नाम की लेनी है यहाँ से. और बाय द वे, बिकॉज मैंने इतनी फ्रीलांसिंग शुरू कर दी थी, सब काम करना ऑलरेडी शुरू कर दिया था, मुझे तो बाहर से जॉब ऑफर्स हो गए थे ऑफर, तो मैंने वहीं पे फिर काम करा जो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी ऑफर्स थे. आई हैड 3 ऑफर्स एंड आई चोज द वन विच सूटेड मी द मोस्ट एंड आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद दैट. मुझे प्लेसमेंट में क्या होगा, सीवी कितनी इंपैक्टफुल बनेगी, उसका कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव ही नहीं था, बिकॉज मुझे मालूम है आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन सर्टेन एक्टिविटीज लाइक फ्रीलांसिंग, लाइक बिल्डिंग माई पर्सनल ब्रांड, कि उससे मेरे सारे और प्रॉब्लम्स भी सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. Obviously, if I'm earning well through my freelancing activities, my CV will improve. That hey, using his marketing skills, he has earned 4 lakhs in his MBA. That is a CV point in itself. Hello, that's that. That will help me in my MBA interviews also, because now I am somebody who's an expert in the field of marketing. I can go out and I can say that. वो तो coincidence ये हुआ that I got some job offers, तो मुझे शायद placement तक जाने की need भी नहीं हुई. That's what I'm saying. Focus in your sphere of life. There could be something else. What I would want you to do is now. Hello, this is very important. Don't skip this. Go down in the comments. Let me know what your maximum 2 areas of focus will be. Ideally, you should be able to answer just one, but it's okay. If you can't answer एक, it's absolutely fine. Give me 2. For example, that 1, it can be that, sir, I want to get a high CGPA. That could be 1. 2, sir, for me is that I want to have good friendships. For all you know, तुम सिर्फ वहां पे इसके लिए हो कि I want to make good friends and I want to get a good CGPA. Also, जब comments में ये लिखोगे, give me a why also. That this thing, why, एक statement उसके आगे का कि सर ये मेरे लिए इसलिए important है. Do that. This is an exercise. I am not saying it for myself कि भाई मतलब मुझे I want to read those things and I want to enjoy myself. No. When you write it, you get clarity that what's your main value. It's a value identification exercise. See, again, no other influencer, I'm sorry to say, and I say this again and again in all of my videos. तुमको अब तक ये लग रहा होगा यार हर वीडियो में ये करता है, ये फैक्ट बता रहा हूं मैं आपको, कोई नहीं बना रहा है अकाउंट, बिकॉज सबको बहुत ही एक वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड 5 things you need to know for this, 7 things ऐसे नहीं होता. Until and unless you have a hard talk like this, face to face like this, you will never understand that. That's that. Along with that, I have more structure to it. Now, here we go. Second problem, why you're feeling mental health challenges, or while you might feel, again this video is important because अगर आपको नहीं भी हो रहा है, हेलो, ये वीडियो देखना अंत तक, बिकॉज अगर आपको इससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं भी हो रहे हैं, ये कभी होंगे, प्रिपेयर्ड रहोगे, वापस आना इस वीडियो में, सेव दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो, लाइक दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. Second reason why you might be failing or facing certain challenges is because, my dear friends, you have goals which are not your own. You have borrowed your goals. For example, what? For example, my dear friends, just because your friend in MBA program is saying, hey, I want a consulting job at MBB, McKinsey, Bain and BCG. तुमको भी लगा हाँ यार ये तो बड़ा सेक्सी है, कंसल्टिंग जॉब लेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. क्या तुम उसके लिए सही हो? क्या तुम्हें वो चाहिए भी? तुम्हारे it could be that you have all the skills for consulting. A friend of yours may come to say that, hey, my dear friend, your personality तो यार तेरी personality ऐसी है, you can talk, you can solve certain problems, you are good with your case analysis and everything. You should become that. But the question is, if you truly want to become that or not, do not borrow goals, because what happens is that when you go to a good campus, if you're at an IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, LKI, even now LKI, Udaipur, all of these campuses you're there, because वहाँ पे consulting offers आते हैं, it is very easy for you to get influenced. यार यार the best brands, the best salaries are being offered in this thing, so I should go by that. You're choosing by salaries, you're choosing by what your friends are saying, you're choosing by what your seniors were in, without realizing that what is that you want to. For that, in my course How to B School, there is a course called MBA Specialization Selector. उसका काम ही ये है कि क्या मैं आपको हेल्प कर सकता हूँ कि हे आपके लिए स्पेशलाइजेशन या जॉब रोल कौन सा सही है. You will find your answers inside that course. If you've not already enrolled for that program, go ahead and enroll for it. The link you'll find in the description. Important है. Therefore, दूसरे के goals का stress मत लो. Find exercises through which you can find what your aim is. Usually जहां पे तुम्हारा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, इफ यू स्टिक इन दैट फील्ड यू विल फाइंड अ वेरी लॉन्ग टर्म इम्पैक्ट थ्रू दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग स्टिक टू इट. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज दैट फील्ड आल्सो, बिकॉज एमबीए इज गुड फॉर चेंजिंग योर फील्ड, चेंज इट, बट बी श्योर दैट यू वांट इट. बी श्योर दैट द स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर इट, यू आर रेडी टू टेक इट अप. हेलो, अगर आपके पास जो फील्ड में आप जाना चाह रहे हैं अगर आज स्किल्स नहीं भी है, इट्स ओके. आपको होना चाहिए दैट योर एंथुजियाज्म रिगार्डिंग दैट फील्ड इज सच दैट यस आई एम रेडी टू टेक दोस स्किल्स अप विदाउट फीलिंग द स्ट्रेस अबाउट इट. दैट इज व्हेन यू विल मेक a good choice. Therefore, second problem is that. तो आप सोच लें कहीं आपके ऐसे goals तो नहीं है जो actually में they are not your own goals. Moving on from there, the third point is probably तुम्हारे seniors ही तुम्हारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा stress का cause बन रहे हैं, जो कि usually नहीं होता है, but अगर हो रहा है then I can understand because MBA colleges में एक चीज देखी गई है, होती है, obviously है. वो क्यों होती है? I'll explain to you that there is a God complex. Your seniors, especially the seniors of certain committees, certain clubs, maybe I'll say that also. Say for example the team of Placecom, the Placecom team, they might be operating with a God complex. अब ये क्यों होता है ये समझना बहुत important है. देखो, unfortunately what I'd say to you is that this will happen, this will be always a part of the experience and that is how you should see it. अब होता ये है because किसी ने बहुत साल पहले कहीं ये स्टार्ट कर दिया था कि यार देखो the Placecom is supposed to be harsh on the students. जब तक Placecom harsh नहीं होगा, strict नहीं होगा, stern नहीं होगा, तब तक ये बात नहीं बनेगी. तो किसी ने एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट स्टार्ट करा. Now every year on year, this culture is being passed on to one Placecom, to another Placecom, or forget even Placecom. It could be for any other club, it could be for any other thing. Now because of that, just for the sake of the culture which has been passed down, nobody knows. If you talk to your Placecom right now that hey, why are you behaving in the way you are behaving with us? Why are you abusing us? They will not have an answer. In fact, I would say that see it as a different experience. See it as what will happen to you in the world of corporates. That is how it is going to happen. That not everyone is going to be sweet with you. Not everyone is going to be fair with you. They're going to be your bosses, your colleagues, one level above you, half level above you in the corporate hierarchy. It could be anybody. So therefore, that is why I say that यार MBA एक प्रोग्राम इतना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल प्रोग्राम इसलिए है बिकॉज आपको काफी सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस जो कि आपको कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में मिलेंगे, वैसे भी वो आपको माइक्रो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स में हो रहे हैं. यहाँ पे एट अ वेरी माइक्रो लेवल दे आर ऑलरेडी हैपनिंग एंड येट दे आर विद इन अ वेरी कंट्रोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट. भाई रैगिंग तो नहीं हो रही है ना एमबीए कॉलेजेस में, वो तो नहीं हो रहा ना. एवरीथिंग व्हिच इज हैपनिंग टू अ सर्टेन लिमिट, डिग्री, एंड दैट इज हाउ इट विल बी. माय सजेशन टू यू इज दैट टेक इट इन योर स्ट्राइड. व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग, इंस्टेड ऑफ कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट इट कि अरे यार ये ऐसा हो रहा है, उसने ऐसा करा, एंड गोइंग ऑन वेरियस ऑनलाइन साइट्स एंड सेइंग दैट दिस हैपेंड, दैट हैपेंड. व्हाइल yes, it's important, if there is something which is very atrocious, very wrong, very something which is absolutely unethical, that needs to be brought out. Otherwise, usually if somebody is not being fair to you, if somebody is not being kind to you, it's okay, forget them. Focus on the things which you are going to inform me that what are the two things which you'll be focusing on. That is why this was extremely important. Moving on from there, the fourth thing which is causing you a lot of stress in your mind is the war zone mindset. ये मैंने बहुत वीडियोस में मैंने ये बात भी कही हुई है. I say this also inside my course How to Be School. यार war zone mindset क्या है कि प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारे साथ ये है कि तुम्हारे लिए हर चीज अब एक वॉर है. Every stage of your MBA is a war. For example, when you were an MBA aspirant, तुम्हें ये था कि यार 3.5 लाख लोगों ने they will be appearing for this exam called CAT, and it's a war because I need to be among those top so that I can get the interview call from my dream B school. चलो मान लो suppose you study hard for it और तुम्हें कॉल आ गया. Now when you've got the call, now you'll be like, oh my god, there would be around 5,000 students who would be having a call from this particular B school, and hence I need to be much above than all of them, and it's a lot of like stress on me, this and that. चलो कोई बात नहीं, तुमने अपने you have prepared well for that interview as well, well and you crack that interview and now suppose you are at one of the top IIMs, you are at one of the top B schools where you actually intended to be. अब तुम्हारे साथ प्रॉब्लम ये हो रही है, तुम्हें यहाँ आके भी तुम्हें एक सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं हो रही. अब तुम्हें लग रहा है अरे यार या तो सब लोग मेरे से अच्छे हैं, यहाँ पे सिर्फ कोई 400 बच्चे दिख रहे हैं मुझे मगर सभी मेरे से अच्छे हैं यार. ओ माय गॉड मैं तो सबसे खराब हूँ. अब समर प्लेसमेंट कैसे होगा? बेसिकली क्या हो रहा है, द स्ट्रेस इंड्यूसिंग थिंग इज नॉट द कैट का कंपटीशन, इज नॉट द MBA एडमिशन इंटरव्यूज में जो लोग हैं, इज नॉट योर फ्रेंड्स इन योर MBA. द कंपटीशन, द स्ट्रेस कॉजिंग थिंग इज दिस वॉर जोन माइंडसेट दैट एवरी टाइम यू थिंक यू आर इन अ वॉर. नहीं ना यार, तुम अभी एक 400 स्टूडेंट्स के एक बी स्कूल में हो, यू विल गेट प्लेस्ड. You need to focus on the things. Everyone is unique. Everyone has a different aspiration. Yes, while a lot of you may be vying for the same job role, maybe even vying for the same organization, it's okay. You have to work hard for it. So instead of stressing about, oh my God, everyone is much ahead of me, this and that, what exactly are you doing about it so that you feel that, yes, I'm good? That is what you need to focus on. Again, I would bring back the answer to almost everything which I have in this first point, that यार अपनी मानसिक स्थिति, ये जो यहाँ पे एक चीज लिखी है मैंने, मानसिक स्थिति को इंप्रूव करने के लिए जो आपके 4 सोर्सेज हैं उसका सबका जवाब मोस्टली ये है कि फोकस करें, उसको अपने स्ट्राइड में ले कि MBA is supposed to be a difficult program. MBA is not supposed to be a school, a classroom. कीजिए क्लासरूम में गए, हाँ जी मैडम क्या लिखना है, बोर्ड पे लिखा है, ये उतार लिया, मैं वापस आया, मैंने एग्जाम्स दिए. नो, योर लर्निंग, वट एवर एक्सपीरियंसेस यू गेट योर लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम देयर. एंड एज a lot of us we say that the learning in an MBA college happens outside the classroom. क्लासरूम में से तो फिर भी तुम सिर्फ academics theories ले लोगे जो कि कुछ नहीं है, you know, जो कि तुम्हें इतना शायद काम ना दे जितना तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी में चेंजेस लाएंगे. वो सब ये रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस से ही होंगे. That is how you become a man. That is how you become a woman who's gonna go and walk into the corporates and gonna rule like a boss that you are. That's what it is. That's the entire idea. Moving on from there, now I'll take you through certain things which will cause problems, which might have already started to cause problems in your physical health. Now what are the sources of it? See, again, 4 things are there that maybe there is a lot of increased there is a increased consumption of alcohol. तुमने गए, ओके अभी शायद ना हुआ हो, बट इफ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस मच अहेड, मच आफ्टर योर फर्स्ट वीक और फर्स्ट मंथ और वट एवर, यू नो दैट यार अल्कोहल कंजम्पशन बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है. उससे माई फिजिकल हेल्थ हैज स्टार्टेड टू टेक अ मैसिव बैक सीट बिकॉज अगेन योर मेटाबॉलिज्म हैज लोअर्ड डाउन. नाउ यू आर गेनिंग वेट. ऑब्वियसली स्ट्रेस ईटिंग कर रहे हो बिकॉज यू आर वेकिंग अप टिल 1 AM, till 2 AM, till 3 AM. Whether you really need to wake up late is something else which I'll speak about in another thing. That ये जो एक बात होती है ना, that you know what, MBA has sleepless nights, सोते ही नहीं हम लोग, ये वो, क्या वो MBA की रिक्वायरमेंट है या जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज फैशनेबल एंड योर सीनियर्स आर सेइंग ओ माय गॉड यू नो दैट वी डोंट स्लीप एंड MBA में तो नींद ही नहीं आती, ओ माय गॉड वी वर्क सो हार्ड. क्या वो एक फैशनेबल चीज है? अगेन अ लॉट ऑफ दोस थिंग्स यू नीड टू चेक वेदर दैट्स जस्ट समथिंग व्हिच दे से इज अ गुड टू डू और इट इज समथिंग व्हिच एक्चुअली हैपेंस, व्हिच इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर फ्रॉम द MBA program. If you were to ask me, it's not a requirement. You can find your 6 or 7 hours of sleep in an MBA program as well. So while you might think that hey 7 hours of sleep may not happen, the fact is you can find it. The fact is that probably you are buying into that thought of कि यार सोना सही नहीं है and it's a very fashionable thing to say, and that is why because you're waking up till late, you are stress eating, तुम रात को जा रहे हो, you know, even if, and this would happen with you, I am sure, even if you've had your food at the mess at around say 8 or 9 or 10 PM, again at 1 PM, sorry, again at 1 AM or at like 2 AM, you are again having some junk. You're having Maggi noodles, you're having rolls, काठी roll, this that, सब खा रहे हो तुम, समोसे, पैटी, पिज्जा सब खा रहे हो, तो हेल्थ करेगा impact. Again, some things are very obvious. Then the third thing is obviously sleep cycles. As I've already said, your sleep cycles, you are one of the reasons why your sleep cycles goes for a whack. Again, I have said this inside my course How to Be School as well. मानता हूं in the very first term, in the very first week, पहले 3 महीने में your hours are not in your control. The program जो भी होगा वहां पे, because it's a new one, for you to really get into the feel of it, you will face a lot of sleepless nights as well. कि यार वो काम खत्म नहीं हुआ, ये करना है वो करना है. As you spend more time in your MBA program, and this will happen by the end of the first term itself, it will happen with you, that you'll know how to get around the various things which are happening. तुम उस्ताद बन जाओगे. Therefore, अगर पहले 4 हफ्ते में थोड़ा स्ट्रेस हो भी रहा है, उसको झेल लो, उसके बाद चीजें बड़ी आसान हो जाएंगी. इनफैक्ट सेकंड ईयर ऑफ MBA is going to be a dream walk for you. I'm going to say this to you. Hello, this is very important. One takeaway which I want you to have from this thing is that even if despite watching this video yaar you still feel ki nahi yaar it's still very much stressful this and that, let me say that okay, hope for that day when in the second year or even not in that year, in the first year third term itself you will have a joyous experience. तुम बहुत ज्यादा फ्री होगे, तुम्हारे पास और काम के लिए बहुत ज्यादा समय होगा. So that will happen. Moving on from there, then obviously as I have already said, sedentary lifestyle. कमरे में बैठे पड़े हो, फिर वहां से मतलब तुम क्लासरूम चले गए, कोई स्पोर्ट्स नहीं कर रहे, you're not going to the gym. One secret which you need to follow is that please work out. Gym जाइए. I'll give you a quick story of my own and then I'll move to the final thing. When I entered my MBA, I was over 100 kgs of weight. My waist size was horrendous. Then within the first 2 months of my MBA, I remember that date also. It was 2nd October. 2nd October, I was like, nahi yaar, I'm at home right now. I was at home at that point of time somehow. Or was I? I was not, I think. I said that no, this is too much. I am obese. मुझे अगर अपने हॉस्टल रूम से क्लासरूम में if I had to jog, I used to sweat and pant. क्लासरूम तक आते आते मेरी हालत खराब होती थी ऐसे. I was that unhealthy. I hired an online trainer. I said, सुन भाई, make me a chart, a diet chart and tell me what workout I have to do. शायद diet आप follow नहीं कर पाओगे because you only have a few options. But tell your trainer that भाई खाने में यही सब मिलता है मुझे. इसमें मेरे को एक बढ़िया सा एक diet chart बना के दे. वो आपको quantities के साथ diet chart देगा. जरूरी है. And then forget even that part. Workout अगर आपने कर लिया. There you know on one day you are working on your biceps and your back. On the other day you are working on your legs and your shoulders. On a chest day, you know, or something like that, you can get a schedule workout that will help you within the next 3 months. When I started this, I lost 5.5 inches from my waist. 5 इंच अपनी वेस्ट से मैंने लूज करे हैं. अगर मैं 5 इंच लूज कर सकता हूं, देन आप सोच सकते हैं मेरी वेस्ट कितनी ही चौड़ी होगी, कितना ही अनहेल्दी होगा मैं कि वेस्ट से 5 इंच लूज करने के बाद भी आई वॉज नॉट वेरी फिट. आई वॉज नॉट कि हंक लग रहा है, अच्छा लगने लग गया था बट नॉट अ हंक. दैट्स दैट. सो यू नीड टू नो अंडरस्टैंड. Now, moving on from there, the final thing which is very important, which a lot of you may not have experienced it as of now, but you might, and therefore it is very important for me to add this over here. Substance abuse, drugs, charas, ganja, ये सब चीजें. Again, I'm saying this because this is something which is important for you because MBA में I don't want your MBA life to get wasted. I'll give you examples of this. My dear friends, देखो दो हैं sources. There is a new found freedom. तुम MBA में आते हो, तुम्हें लगता है यार जो कुछ मैंने आज तक जीवन में नहीं करा साला आज करना है, करके जाना है यहाँ से, ड्रग्स करने, चरस गांजा करना. मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के एग्जांपल्स विदाउट देयर नेम्स में दूंगा यहाँ पे सो दैट यू नो हाउ इट कैन रूइन यू. एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज पीयर प्रेशर, वो कर रहा है, अरे बड़ा कूल है, यू नो आई नीड टू बी विद दैट ग्रुप एंड दे यू नो वो लोग तो रात को 9 बजे मतलब बैठते हैं और वो पूरा मतलब फूकते हैं. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ मेल्स एंड मतलब फीमेल्स आर देयर एंड इट वुड बी कूल टू हैंग आउट विद दैट ग्रुप. प्रोबेबली कुछ हो जाए मेरा, यू नो समथिंग लाइक दैट. हाँ मजा आएगा, वो सब चीजें, वो सब बातें हो, आपका ख्याल वहां जाता है. Forgetting the fact that how this one activity is a damaging activity. I'll give you 2 examples of this. In my batch, there was a engineer from BITS. वो BITS का engineer था. And BITS engineers are top of the top people. He came into IIM Udaipur, and I think in the very first week or the very first term of the program itself, he started to smoke up like anything, like every night. What happened was that as a consequence, he couldn't wake up for the classes. अगर आपकी 9 बजे सुबह क्लास है और अगर आप रात के 3-4 बजे तक अगर आप फूक रहे हैं, आप कहां से आएंगे उठ के सुबह? आप नहीं आ सकते. He started to miss classes, obviously because his attendance fell down, and all of these B schools have a good academic, they have a very strong criteria for attendance. He was not allowed to sit for the exams. Eventually उसके ड्रग्स का हैबिट इतना बढ़ गया कि वो उसने ड्रग्स छोड़े ही नहीं, एंड उसको ईयर रिपीट करना पड़ गया. And it was so humiliating for him that instead of choosing to repeat the year, he dropped out of IIM Udaipur. Finally, he did his MBA from IMTG. He was at a good B school. He could have, वो कर सकता था वहां पे. Finally भी ठीक है, वो ठीक B school में गया, फिर उसने अपीयर करा होगा for CAT and then he went there. But क्यों करना पड़ेगा आपको इतना? Why do you want to do that? Why do you want to waste your life? Had this not been an IIM Udaipur, had this been an IIM A or B, he would have killed himself. I'm telling you. Okay, I should not say those things, but that is what is the fact. Then a lot of other examples. मेरे साथ के ही लोग, because of substance abuse, they had to repeat years because वो क्लास में नहीं आते थे. There was one guy who was a very academically strong guy. His father was a professor. उसके father was a professor in another institute. वो second year में आके उसने इतना drugs करना किया start, उसका CGPA बहुत impact हो गया. That same guy in the first year was the guy who used to like say to me कि भाई क्या कर रहा है, why aren't you studying? Because मेरे नहीं आते थे grades, मैं नहीं हूँ पढ़ाई में अच्छा. And मेरा जो था tension वो था भी नहीं पढ़ाई में. मेरा था that hey because I had started my blog already, वहाँ करता था, ये सब काम करता था. वो कहता था क्या कर रहा है भाई, पढ़ ले. Second year में रात को 3 o'clock वो कहीं से चल के आ रहे हैं, हालत खराब हो रही है उनकी. My dear friends, this was my attempt to give you an idea about what exactly are the things which will happen. I think my video is a bit patchy right now, but I hope you've completely understood this. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks a lot and goodbye.